So this is the lab we're doing, density is a periodic property based upon Mendeleev's work. What we're going to do is we're going to determine, you're going to collect the densities, mass and volume of several substances, and those are the substances right there, some silicon, some tin and lead samples. We're going to take the samples of those, find the mass, find the volume of those, and from that we will be able to calculate the densities. So that's what our data table is going to look like. I'll put one on the lab as well. Okay, we're going to start with silicon. Silicon looks like that's a shiny, it's a metalloid. It has shininess, but it's also very brittle. So that's what we're going to use. We're using this balance right here. The balance has a cover on it to protect it from a breeze, and so we're going to put that here. So first thing we need to do is tare it. So we're going to tare that. Alright. Now we're going to put in some of these metal samples, excuse me, some of these silicon samples. They're not metals, they are metalloids. We're going to put those four in. And those four mass 8.716. Now we're going to use this graduated cylinder setup right here, and we're going to fill that with some water and then determine that. So there's our graduated cylinder with some water. I just put the water in there. It's got some blue food coloring in it, so you can see a little bit more clearly. I'm going to zoom in here on the meniscus. So based upon that, it looks like it's on the bottom of the meniscus is on that bottom of the second line. So I'm going to call that 13.4 is the volume, 13.40. At this point, I'm going to take my sample pieces. I'm going to place them in the graduated cylinder. Allow them to slide in gently. Alright, so there's the sample pieces inside the solution. They are displacing some of the water. So now we're going to zoom in and see what that new volume is. Right about there. Turn it ever so slightly. And that's your final volume.